Time to grind.
Let's get tight. What do you think?
Might be. Maybe if you used it more.
Is that the secret?
Yep.
Crunch. It's too tight? You don't like that?
I think it's fine.
Maybe I put some lubricant in it?
That might work.
You mean I gotta do some maintenance every 5 years or so? 20?
That would be good, wouldn't it?
I don't know. Oh, it's so much easier now.
There you go.
Do you believe that?
Nope.
There, that's getting working.
Getting better? Getting better?
Well, there's a whole bunch of oilers on this. No, that's bolts. There's only one oiler. It's right here. Are you supposed to put oil in there or are you supposed to put goop in there?
Goop. Goopy oil.
There you go. Perfect. Oh, yeah. That's like brand new now. Now it's going to shake and vibrate and make all kinds of noise and be perfect for your bike.
Awesome. What are we doing over here?
It's like you're painting with smoke.
Yeah. So that just flattens it up all nice and good, huh?
Warms it up too and makes it hot. Preheating your valve.
I like it.
When you touch it, it burns it. That one sounded flat. That one didn't.
Ooh, almost flat. There you go, it's a little better. Those ones were already pretty good.
Wonder
why.
Yeah, why?
Those are from the original.
Maybe they're already done once before?
Yep.
On my machine, so they're flat still?
Yep.
My machine repeats. Okay, enough of the fun part.
This is the cool part.
This is part of the pain in the ass. It's never straight, true, or concentric. Just pull on it really hard until it grinds it down. Making sure it's 45 degrees. It's pretty free now. I'm used to being so free.
When it goes wham, 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 that means it's not straight, right?
Not flat. That's why I regrind them. How's it look?
It looks pretty good.
How can you tell? I didn't wipe it off. Is it flat?
It looks pretty flat.
Okay. What angle do you want?
The best one possible.
What angle is
Oh no, you have that in your brain housing group.
I was reading about that on magazine once. It wasn't the angle I was using though. Look at that. There it is. Jeez. Cut so much. Look at that. Ooh. I get used to this working so free, but
Yeah.
I'm used to having a yank on it. It's not. It's too free. Screws up my timing.
Yep. Making sure that it's completely dialed in. As flat as possible.
Well, I don't know where the air is at. Is it me or is it the bow? It's hard to tell. It's grinding from there to there. Turn a little bit. Probably heavier here. Same spot, but heavier.
Yeah.
Do some more. Same spot, about the same.
So it's the valve.
You sure? It's not me?
I don't think so.
We could turn it like 180 degrees over there. Try it again. That changed. And from here to here.
Yeah. Dang.
Similar spot.
Yeah.
Just the same. Smooth.
Look at that.
Ultra fine finish. What are you gonna use again?
Looks pretty dang good.
Yeah, it comes quick.
Yeah.
Get used to that. Where's it at?
Yeah, it's about right there.
Right where?
I don't know.
Close.
There you go.
See the mark coming in?
Think so.
Just get the light just right. about 2/3 of the seat and 1/3 over.
Okay.
And
Yeah, you can see it.
It's more like 40 and 60.
Now for the bad boys.
Well, this appears to have El Chunko on these.
Yep.
How'd that happen?
User error.
It was nowhere near that. What angle do you want on this one?
The best angle.
These have high spots.
Wonder why.
Still has a high spot in the same spot. See, it's going to come out though if I keep grinding down, see?
Yeah.
Ooh, look at that big pit in there.
Yeah, you can see that.
Ooh, there's a big pit right there too. Got a low spot. Is it me or is it the machine?
I don't know.
Sounds pretty even.
There we go.
I think it was me. I didn't grind enough. There's your pit.
Yep.
No pity.
There we go. Had to get rid of that little guy.
What angle do you want?
I don't know. What angle are we doing?
Correct one. That's it. Want to see it big, huh? Oh, geez, you cut so much.
Looks good.
Faster though, right?
There it is. Look like Captain American's shield.
Ooh, lightening it up. Now it's 40-60.
One more.
This is a good one here.
Yeah, that's the chunky one.
Is that the right angle? Can't see, it's dark over there. Good thing we came back and looked at it. It was off.
Mm-hmm.
Wonder if I had the other one off too.
Who knows?
Maybe. High spot?
Yep.
Look how even that one is. That one repeated pretty good.
That did.
Some chunkos right there though.
Not for long.
Not for long. I'll have to give it some more. The angle's right. Looks like it's in the right spot. Yeah, right on it. No more pity.
Sweet.
What angle do we use? I forgot. smoke coming off that.
We should paint it.
Smoking hot.
Quick, coat it.
Coat it, paint it. And mark there. That one.
All right.
You look like a champ.
Now what? Wash them?
Clean them. Clean them and drop them 3 times. Make sure they're straight.
All right, let's do that. Ooh, what are we doing?
Sweeping.
We're gonna do some valvey poos. Valve seats. Whoopsh. Whoopsh. Whoopsh.
Why don't you put them back where I had them?
Back over here.
I had them right where I wanted them.
All right. Just trying to get them closer for you.
Had them all laid out and everything. I don't know how I did it.
There you go. Here are the sets.
That's not how I did it.
How do you want me to have them?
Like I was.
He wants me to change them around because they're in pairs and they're not the good pairs apparently.
That's not how I had it.
I don't know how you had it.
You moved it. You should remember.
Nope. All right.
Nobody home.
How's it going?
Good.
Called about some gaskets.
Okay, set them up. Good job.
I don't know how to do that shit.
You better figure it out.
Center them out. Get
Set
in
them
there.
up. Don't screw them up either. I'll have to fix them.
Yeah, cool. Thanks, man. I have no idea what I'm doing. Center them out. Center what out? This one's off
Why?
because it's not centered apparently.
Who beat the guide in?
You did.
Why'd you do it sideways?
I didn't beat the guide in.
And then you honed it sideways.
Why would I hone it sideways?
Because you felt like it.
Why would you hone it sideways?
You yelled at me.
I did yell at you.
Pick it on me again.
Because you're not doing a good job apparently.
I'm doing a fine job.
This is off.
Yeah, there you go.
Look at this shit.
Hard to get good help. Pick on me all day.
He thinks that's centered.
Perfect.
It's a load of baloney.
Here's the outfit.
Alright. But this one over here is good. I have no idea.